Good evening and welcome to the news roundup for Monday, August 28th. Before we get into the news, please remember to like this video, share your views in the comments, and share the video with your family and friends.
Reach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Now for the news in detail. The woman who was last week identified as the alleged killer of 80-year-old Daniel Rowe has now been charged, the police have confirmed. K.O. de Sachel, a dental assistant who police say was the intimate partner of Daniel's father, was on Monday afternoon charged for Daniel's kidnapping and murder. This was confirmed by the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of Crime and Security, Fitz Bailey. The arrest of Sachel a little over 2 weeks ago was the first major breakthrough in the case, 2 months after Daniel's slaying. On June 8, Daniel was abducted from Brayton Primary School in Portmore, St. Catherine. She was later found on Roosevelt Avenue in St. Andrew with her throat slashed. She died at the Bustamante Hospital for Children 2 days after the ordeal. Daniel was laid to rest on July 23rd. No motive has been established for the killing. The Freeport Police in Montego Bay, St. James, are appealing to members of the public for assistance in identifying the body of a man which was discovered floating in the sea at Unity Hall in the parish on Saturday, August 26. Reports are that about 2:50 p.m., residents saw the partially decomposed body floating face down in the water and summoned the police. On arrival of the lawmen, the deceased, who is believed to be about 5 feet 7 inches tall, was found in the nude. A white merino, white and orange shirt, orange shorts, blue jacket, and a black plaid underpants were discovered on a rock close to where the body was discovered. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is seeking the public's assistance in locating a man in their investigation of the attempted murder of his ex-girlfriend in Lindsay, St. Catherine. Detectives from the St. Catherine North Police Division have launched a search for 18-year-old Antoine Gray, otherwise known as Badfowl and Bright. The cops say they want to question Gray about an incident last Thursday in which his ex-girlfriend was set on fire at her home in Dover District in Redwood. The victim has been hospitalized in serious condition after suffering severe burns all over her body. It was reported that about 3 in the morning, the 17-year-old was home asleep when an intruder broke into her house, threw gasoline on her and set her ablaze. A 22-year-old man who was in bed with the victim also sustained burns in the incident. 2 brothers were shot and killed by unknown assailants inside their house in Gordon Pen, Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Saturday. The deceased are 23-year-old Rio Robinson and 32-year-old Devon Mackenzie, otherwise known as Chucky, both of Belzite District in Gordon Pen. Reports are that about 3:30 a.m., relatives of the now deceased men heard loud explosions and went to investigate. They found the bullet-riddled bodies of the siblings lying on separate beds inside their 1-bedroom dwelling. The police were alerted and the brothers were taken to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the double killing. The St. Mary police have launched a manhunt for a group of armed men who staged a robbery at a supermarket in the parish on Sunday. Reports are that about 4 p.m., 5 men armed with handguns entered the supermarket located in Three Hills Retreat. The men held the owner, a Chinese national, at gunpoint and stole more than $230,000. The robbers escaped in a white Toyota Axio motor car. In business, Jamaica has been awarded as the region's leading destination. Jamaica received the accolade on Saturday night at the World Travel Awards Caribbean and Americas Gala ceremony. In addition to being the Caribbean's leading destination, Jamaica was voted the Caribbean's leading cruise destination, the Caribbean's leading cruise port, the Caribbean's leading tourist board, and the Caribbean's leading airport. Jamaica's other awards include the Caribbean's leading adventure tourist attraction, Dunn's River Falls and Park, the Caribbean's leading airport lounge, Club Montego Bay at the Sangsters Airport, the Caribbean's leading boutique resort, Golden Eye, the Caribbean's leading destination management company, Go Jamaica Travel, the Caribbean's leading home port, the Port of Montego Bay, the Caribbean's leading hotel, Half Moon Jamaica, the Caribbean's leading hotel residence, the Trial Club, the Caribbean's leading independent car rental company, Island Car Rentals, The Caribbean's leading luxury all-suite resort, Jamaica Inn. The Caribbean's leading luxury all-inclusive resort, Sandals Duns River. The Caribbean's leading luxury all-inclusive villa, Fleming's Villa at Golden Eye. The Caribbean's leading meetings and conference center, Montego Bay Convention Center. The Caribbean's leading new resort, Sandals Duns River. The Caribbean's leading tour operator, Go Jamaica Travel. The Caribbean leading travel agency, Go Jamaica Travel. In sports, the Jamaica Olympic Association has stepped in to help 22-year-old national netballer Latanya Wilson back on her feet. Wilson and her family had their lives turned upside down last Thursday when fire decimated their Rum Lane downtown Kingston home. Earlier today at the office of the JOA, Christopher Samuda, president of the association, announced that the Adelaide Thunderbirds and Sunshine Girl representative will be receiving $1 million towards their road to recovery. And on the entertainment scene, Derrick Morgan says he will be taking legal action against his daughter Queen Ifrica after she accused him of raping her. Morgan made the announcement via an Instagram post on Saturday, which reads as follows: Queen Ifrica, you are a disgrace to the Morgan family. You are a wealth of lies and accusations. That is why our lawyers are on the case. According to Queen Ifrica, she had an estranged relationship with Morgan because of her mother, but reached out to him as an adult. She alleged that he raped her when she stayed at his Kingston home one night, inspiring her advocacy for domestic abuse survivors. The alleged incident, she revealed, also inspired her 2009 hit Daddy, which tackles incest. Morgan struck back regarding the latter, sharing a video of a 2017 interview where Ifrica detailed what inspired the song. Meanwhile, gender and civil society advocate Judith Wedderburn says she hopes that a government committee is considering whether to withdraw the awards given to Morgan following the allegations. We don't know if she, Queen Ifrica, is going to press charges. She said it happened, and until it goes to court and it is proven, it is still an allegation. Wedderburn went on to say that she would like to think that the committee is at least having a conversation about it. They need to be talking about it, and not just for this case, but for other cases that may or may not come to the public's attention as to what is the correct thing to do. In 2001, Morgan was awarded the Order of Distinction from the Jamaican government for his contribution to the distinct culture of the island. He received a Reggae Icon Award in 2002, and in 2019, the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association honored him with the Lifetime Achievement Award. Dancehall artist Aidonia and his wife Kimberly Megan are expecting their second child. The DJ made the announcement on Sunday during his set at the Chris Brown and Friends Under the Influence concert at the National Stadium in Kingston, while paying tribute to their late son, King Khalif Lawrence. Khalif lost his battle with cancer on Saturday, December 3, after being diagnosed in August of 2019. During his performance on Sunday, Aidonia called his wife to the stage to express appreciation for her love and the support over the years.
You got yourself, you know, because you hold it down in a real life. Rick, what? You hold it down in a real life. From 2019 when we can't even get there. You hold it down in a real life. So I have to always show my love and appreciation. And let the world know, say, baby, never anyway.
And that is it for your news roundup for today. We would appreciate you liking this video, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your family and friends. Have a good evening, and see you next time.